Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Toyota Tacoma key fob battery. First, identify your specific key fob model, as designs can vary slightly. Gather a small flathead screwdriver and a new CR2032 battery. Ensure you have a well-lit workspace to clearly see the small components. This preparation makes the process smooth and quick. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side where the physical key might be. Gently insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Notice its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Be careful not to scratch any internal components. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the buttons on your key fob to ensure they function correctly. Your Toyota Tacoma key fob should now be working perfectly with its new battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.